back, dear kids. Welcome to our grammar class. Today's our topic is prepositions. Now let us understand first preposition. Preposition includes two words, pre and position. Pre means before and position shows its place of a noun or a pronoun. So, preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with some other word in a sentence. Preposition are words that show a connection between other words. Most preposition are words like at, in and on. Some preposition are group of words like out of, on top of, in front of, in the middle of. Now look at this picture. The cat is in front of the box, behind the box, next to the box, on the box, over the box and under the box. So all these are prepositions. Now preposition tell us about the place, time and direction. The chick is near the egg. It shows the place. I start work at 8 o'clock. It shows the time. Rina's home is straight down this road. It shows the direction. So kids, let us first understand what is preposition of place. Now, where is the book? It is on the desk. So, the position of book is on the desk. It shows. So, on is a preposition of place. In, on and at is used as a preposition of place also and in preposition of time also. Now, in is being within something, inside the edges of something. When the position is inside something in the box, so at that time we use in. We use on to talk about the position of something on surface or surfaces like walls or tables, and we use at to talk about specific places or points in space. Now look at these pictures. In, on, under, next to, behind, in front of and between. All these are preposition of place. Now let us understand with example. See the picture and try to understand the examples. There is a TV on the desk. There are 3 pencils near the pink notebook. There is a ball under the red chair. There is a teddy bear near the bed. There is a cat behind the bed. There is a lamp on the bedside table. So, these all are about the preposition of place. Now, let us see preposition of time. It refers to specific time period. We also use at, on and in to show the preposition of time. A preposition of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss a specific time period, such as a date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time when something takes place. Preposition of time are the same words as preposition of place, in, at, on. However, they are used in a different way. These are the preposition of time. At. This preposition of time is used to discuss clock times, holiday period, festival period and other very specific time frames, including exceptions such as at night. Now see the example at 12 o'clock, at night, at noon, at bedtime, at lunchtime, at sunrise, at sunset. All these are preposition of time. In. In is used to discuss months, seasons, years, centuries, general times of day and longer periods such as in the past, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the spring, in the summer, in 1980, in the 1960s. So, on. On is used to discuss certain days of the week, specific dates and special days such as on New Year Day. Okay, on Monday, on Thursday, on April 3rd, on 1st January 2017, on the 10th, on the first day. So all these are preposition of time. Let us see more examples. The letter came on Monday. The test is on 8th December. She came back in the morning. The examination is in the March. He returned the book at night. They came to our house at 8 p.m. So I hope you understand preposition of place and time. Now let us see preposition of direction. Preposition of direction shows us the direction of a noun or a pronoun. Some preposition shows where something is going. They are called preposition of direction. For example, the ship sailed along the coast. So along is a preposition of direction. It shows the direction of a ship. Let us see the example. The boys chased after each other. The football rolled down the hill. A man was walking his dog along the river bank. Ritu is running behind her dog. We were traveling towards Manali. So all these are about the prepositions. Now you have to complete your textbook exercise from the PDF. Stay home, stay safe, and thank you. Bye bye. Take care.